Hey there, baddies, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be cash stuffing some savings challenges. A couple are coming out of our Build-A-Bag book. The others are just some other ones that I've made in our shop. If you're interested in anything you see today, be sure to check us out in the description and get you a savings challenge. Let's get into it. So first up, here in our Build-A-Bag Savings Challenge book, we are going to do Baddies Book Club. This savings challenge, every time you read a book, you choose a book off the shelf and save that amount. Unfortunately for me, I have read 6 million books as of late. I've been going through series after series. If you are a romance girly, definitely leave me some recommendations in the description. But for right now, let's go ahead and fill out the rest of these spaces because your girl's been reading some books, honey. So I actually have to color in every other book because I have read, since the last time I've done this challenge, probably 60 books. But, you know, let's go ahead and do these here. Okay, so let's go ahead and color in these books here and see how much I owe. So first up is $11 for the first book. The next one is $25. Of course, it'll be a big number. And the next one is $7. Then we have 19. Ooh, I'm gonna be hollering for spare change in a minute. 11, 30, 14. And guess what I'm gonna do? Leave this last book open so somebody can say, dang girl, you could have just did them all. Nope. Okay, so I owe $117 to this challenge today. This Build-A-Bag book also comes, if you get the bundle, with envelopes that match each challenge. So we have the Baddies Book Club envelope. And we're going to go ahead and add in $117 today. So 100, 5, 10, 15, 16, 17. So let's see how much we've got in here so far. All right, so we've got 100, 150, 200, 20, 40, 50. Well, I can't count. So 100, 150, 200, 220, 240, 250, 260, 270, 280, 290, 291, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. $299 because this last book is worth what? $1. I know somebody's gonna be so mad about this. Ask me, do I care? Don't. All right, so that's the only one we're gonna do out of here today from Baddies Book Club. So let's move that to the side. Up next, we are going to go ahead and do Baddies Savings Challenge trackers here. This one has been with us forever. I never have 10s as always. We're gonna skip that one. Our 100 envelope challenge here for this one, every 100 is going to be worth $100. So I'm gonna go ahead and color in one more today. For me, this challenge will add up to 10,000. So slowly but surely. So I'm gonna add in another 100 here. So far we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1,000, 1,100, 1,200, 13, 14, 15, 16, 1,700. So $1,700. Once I make it to 2,000, I'll probably deposit. Our emergency fund challenge, to this one, let's do 90 and 10. So we'll add $100 to this one. So let's do 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 100. And let's go ahead and color in. Why am I doing this with blue and everything else is black? I don't know. I'm gonna be so mad at myself later, but I can't find my black Sharpie, so. A TI is what a TI is. Okay, and this emergency fund is probably gonna go towards Pinky's high yield savings account because baby, I swear I'm keeping the vet in business. Frenchies are, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 650, 700, 750, 800, 850, 870, 890, 910, 930, 950, 970, 990, 1,000, 1,010, 1,030, 1,040, 1,050. I feel like my math is not right. I feel like that count was not counting. because the whole challenge when it's finished is supposed to be 1,000. Let's try that again. Let's go ahead and recount this. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 650, 700, 750, 800, 850, 870, 890, 910, 930, 950, 970, 990. Yeah, I must have added too much somewhere. I definitely did. Oh well, it's never a bad thing to have too much money, right? Okay, our Christmas challenge, we're gonna skip that one. We're gonna skip this one. Our self-care challenge is fully funded, so I actually need to spend this money on something. Maybe this is what I'll use for my laser. Okay, so that's it for this one. We're gonna put her away. And very last today, let's go ahead and add to our Little Bitty Bucks challenge. This one is a quick one, y'all. A quick $500 you can save. Of course, I have not cleaned my tracker off because y'all know me. One thing about me, I'm what? Own it. So to this one, we're gonna add $50. I've already done this challenge before, which is why my tracker is already colored in. It's so easy and fills up so fast. Again, if you want one, check out the link in the description. And we're gonna go ahead and do, let's do spot 40. I'm gonna clean off my trackers tonight, y'all, because this is very ghetto. Okay, so that's it for Little Bitty Bucks. We'll put that one away. I technically could do my monthly challenge, but I'm gonna do that in a reel. We also have our Advent Calendar Challenge, which will help you save up to purchase our upcoming Advent Calendar, which will be somewhere between $300 and $325. So if you sign up for our email list, which will also be in the description, we will send you a free copy of this. You just print it and cut it out, and also glue it. Don't be like me and leave it open, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and add $22 today. So 20, 21, 22. So in here now we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 141, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50, 54. So we have $154. So we are halfway there, which means we're halfway to the Advent Calendar being released. When I tell y'all over-delivered on this thing, don't miss it. Because then I'm gonna have to hear about, well, can you just tell me this? And so make sure you get on that email list if you are interested in our Advent Calendar this year. Okay, that's it. I know I have some money left over, but I'm gonna save that for some other challenges. We'll get into that over on Instagram. Be sure to go check me out if you're interested. That's all I have for today. Like I mentioned, everything you see me save with or use in these videos is available in our shop down to the calculator. It'll be in the description. Thank you so much for watching. Y'all have a good day. Bye.